Slice it, glue it.
Hello friends, today I'm going to share with you all a traditional recipe called Santhikali.
Let's slice it.
To get started, first let's prepare peanut powder. For that, in a mixer jar, I'm adding roasted peanuts around 1/4 cup. Grind to a fine powder and keep aside. Next, let's prepare jaggery syrup. I have taken half a cup of jaggery. Add 1/4 cup of water to it. Allow the jaggery to dissolve in water well. Dissolved well. Now let it boil for a few minutes. There is no any specific jaggery syrup consistency, just bring to a boil, it's enough. Now it is all ready. Filter the jaggery syrup and keep aside. Next, let's prepare Ragi Ball. For that, in a pan, I am adding 2½ cups of water. Today I have taken 1 cup of ragi. For 1 cup of ragi, we need 2½ cups of water. Bring to boil. Add some salt. Now add 1 cup of ragi in it. Do not mix the ragi flour along with the water. Let the ragi flour set as pile until it gets cooked well. Basically, Santhukali is a festival dish. We used to make it at a time of New Year. In some of the regions, people used to have sesame seed powder instead of peanut powder. Now the ragi flour has cooked in medium flame for around 30 minutes. Now start mixing it from the sides. Ragi flour has mixed well. Now let's make it as a ball. Basically, Santhikali will be made using mukkali. Today I doesn't have it. I'm using a typical normal savory making plate like this. The noodle should be made immediately once we get it down from the stove top, otherwise it becomes harder to press it. Our yummy Santhikali is ready now. Let's serve it. Usually I used to think what we can prepare differently for breakfast or dinner apart from the regular dishes. Fortunately, I remember this traditional recipe today. I'm so happy to share with you all. Friends, do try this recipe at your home too. I meet you all in my next video. Bye bye.
Let's slice it again. Thanks for watching. If you want to see more videos, please subscribe our channel. Bye.